Stop trying to build a digital spaceship when all you really need is a reliable bicycle to get across town. We get so caught up in the idea of having every possible feature and every niche plugin that we forget the actual goal. The goal is just getting people to learn something without the tech getting in the way. That is exactly where this open source tool called Chamilo steps into the ring. Think of it as the streamlined alternative to the heavy hitters like Moodle, while everyone else is drowning in 500 different plugins and complex settings. This platform focuses on keeping your life simple. You can set up courses. You can drop in your videos. You can upload PDFs. You can build out quizzes or exams without feeling like you need a degree in software engineering just to find the save button. It is built for the person who wants to get a training program running by Monday morning. It is not for the person who wants to spend 6 months configuring a server. The best part of the whole deal is the financial side of things. Since you can host it yourself, you are not stuck paying those annoying license fees for every single student who signs up. If you are running a school, those per user costs usually eat your budget alive. If you run a small training company or a nonprofit, the story is the same. This platform flips the script entirely. It gives you the keys to the kingdom without the monthly rent check. Now, some people might look at it and worry it is just some tiny side project. They might think it could vanish tomorrow. That is definitely not the case here. We are talking about a platform used by over 41 million learners worldwide. That is a massive community with a lot of weight behind it. When you compare it to the giant and the room Moodle, the trade-off becomes very clear. Moodle is like a giant bucket of building blocks. You can create absolutely anything if you have the time. You also need developers to spare. Chamilo is more like a high-quality, ready-to-use kit. It has a smaller ecosystem of extras and integrations. That much is true. But it also gives you way fewer headaches on a daily basis. You get the essentials like certificates and student tracking right out of the gate. The latest major updates have really polished the experience too. You should definitely ignore those old reviews from years ago. The current version feels much more modern and snappy. It is about choosing between infinite possibilities that you might never use versus a solid system that actually works for your specific needs today. If you want a lightweight solution that stays out of your way and keeps your wallet happy, this is a serious contender. You do not always need the most complex tool in the shed to get the best results for your team. Sometimes less really is more when it comes to education management. It is about the students and the actual learning content. It is not about the endless menus and sub-menus of a bloated interface. Choosing the simpler path allows you to focus on the actual teaching. You spend less time on constant troubleshooting. It feels like a breath of fresh air in a market that is usually dominated by over-engineered monsters. You get the power of open-sourced freedom without the steep learning curve. It is efficient. It is proven. It is ready to handle millions of users without breaking a sweat. That kind of balance is incredibly hard to find in the software world these days. Why settle for a complicated mess when you can have a clean and focused alternative? It is time to stop overcomplicating the way we share knowledge. We need tools that work for us. We should not be working for our tools. This platform proves that you can have professional result without the professional price tag or the professional level stress. It is a win for the teachers and a win for the budget.